Today's episode of You Need to Dress Better, we have New Balance 550's. New Balance 550. I'm a big fan of New Balances in general because they're the perfect dad shoe, but you can also dress it up a little bit. They're really versatile. They kind of do everything. I found this at the thrift store. Guess for how much? $40. These usually retail for like $110. I don't know if this is like a specific edition of the New Balance 550s, but I got these for $50, so that's amazing. If you didn't know, I post vlogs every single day on TikTok if you wanted to see more of me. I know I haven't been posting as much. Before we even start putting clothes on, I'm gonna just go over some colors that would pair well with this shoe. That's like the first thing I think about before I make any outfit. So we have blue. Best colors in my opinion for a shoe of this type: black, brown, navy blues, other blues, tans, white, of course. I think the ice cream truck is here. It's really loud. I have like some actual examples. Like look, this would be a cool combo together. We're probably gonna do something with that. Orange, even, tans are like perfect match, like what I'm wearing right now. For my first outfit, I already have it on. I chose to go for a really preppy vibe. I know these are New Balances, but you can wear them with kind of a lot. It can be preppy, it can be sporty, you can do streetwear. I did double neutral, which on its own would be kind of boring, but then having the shoes kind of pop out the blue and then the navy kind of suit it all in together. Like you could have your little pullover sweater like this, or if you wanted to like tuck it in, you can fold that and you can like pull it out if you wanted to do it like that. If you guys didn't already know, I'm really big on layering. Look at how different this is with nothing, right? It's still cool, like I still look cool, I still look put together, but having that really gave it the preppy flair that it needed. Or instead of the sweater pullover, you could do a little color statement hat. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, this looks so good. For the people that like all black everything, this next one's for you. I have this cool little black zip up, and then just recently actually, I just thrifted these corduroy black pants. How cool, right? So we're gonna do something. I keep seeing all these fashionistas do like these headscarf outfits, and I wanna try one. So I have this one. I don't know if this is big enough though. You know what I'm saying? Like this look, I don't think this is big enough. I feel like I look crazy. I feel like, look at the back. I look crazy, this isn't gonna work. All I'm saying is every fashion god you know and you're a fan of didn't get where they are without experimenting. I think if I use some sunglasses to help distract from how bad the headscarf is, they look pretty cool. Actually, I think it's a pretty dope fit. Imagine like a really big gold chain with this outfit. That would be really dope. Could definitely use some work, but overall, this is a really cool outfit. I need a photo shoot in this immediately before it gets too hot. I'm wearing almost all black, but a pop of blue, sunnies. Now I look like I'm famous. It's that easy. It's that easy. I want to try wearing a dress shirt just to see like what is this gonna look like. Never wear this. This is like where you've crossed the line between too dressy and too casual. This shirt should never go with these types of shoes, but I'll entertain it. You know how crazy I look. I look insane. I thought maybe putting like an undershirt would going off right now. Fun fact about me is that I hate dressing formally. Like any formal event I dread going to, in a moment could be cool. So that's what we're gonna do. I thrifted this at like a random spot in LA and it was literally like $10. The coolest jacket ever for $10. 90% of my wardrobe is thrifted. Literally, you don't even have to have a bunch of money. You can do it. $10. You just have to find the good spot. So I have these insanely over large pants, but they're cool. And this is the only way I can get really, really baggy pants without either making it myself or spending a bunch of money on a brand to make it for me. So all you need is to get yourself a big old belt. It works though. And just to add to the all denim, all blue, I have this Ford hat, also thrifted, everything thrifted. Yeah! See? What am I giving? Streetwear, high school bully. I don't know. I like this outfit. So I wanted to add a bag to it for an accessory. Bang. You have your outfit. The only reason it's okay this blue is different from the rest of the blue is that it matches this blue. Don't get too crazy with like the all blue if the colors don't somehow tie into each other. And I just have like a statement bag. It's a really cool polo, like, I don't know, like bowling bag of some sort. One of my favorite bags. I take it to work every single day. I said you could easily throw over a polo on these baggy pants. Take a look. And And I've been obsessed with clothes recently that hover like right above the waist. It just gives like a really cool visual effect. But yeah, you can do some color. You don't have to be all neutral. You can pop in some color. Throw in my forehead again. Boom. This one's pretty cool. It's like streetwear and preppy just clashed and kissed. Or maybe let's try this green hat. Oh, this is a cool fit too. Color just always does it for me. I actually really, really like this one. I feel cool. If I can lift and it shows a little bit of stomach, I kind of like that style. This green and this yellow goes together. But then like these blues at the bottom. I thrifted the sweater a while ago, but I never really made an outfit with it yet. I don't think this is enough to do it justice. I think this is something that needs... No, that's way too much. Whoa, that was bad. I'm just gonna skip this one. Green shirt that's been in my closet. It's not the best outfit you've ever seen, but it's simple. You look cool. Here's the thing, people always say like, oh, lazy outfits, you look bummy. There's a way to style lazy outfits. Still looks like you're comfortable, but you look put together. It looks like you actually put some thought into it. Now, it would be different if I put on some sweatpants, throw on a random sweater, throw on some shoes, don't even match, and walked out. Now, sometimes I have those days too, but I'm saying that you can have like a lazy outfit and it be cute. I feel like I haven't eaten anything, and then changing all these clothes is making me tired. But I've been eating these Trader Joe's peanut butter little protein bars. They've been so good. A lot of protein in it. I don't remember, but they have a lot of protein. In between meals, I'll try and have a little protein bar. I've been thinking a lot recently. I've lived in LA for 3 years. What's next? Like, am I gonna stay here for the rest of my life? I don't know. But when I try and imagine myself living somewhere else, I can't see myself living anywhere but California. Maybe that'll change in another 5 years, but I don't know. I've lived here for 3 years. I'm not sick of it yet. You know, usually you can have like things you can complain about, and I have things I can complain about, but they're not drastic enough that I would want to leave. I don't know where else I would go. I always thought I could go to Colorado or Atlanta, which that could be cool. I don't know, maybe it's like I have to go out of the country. Maybe that's the next journey for me. That could be it. I've always wanted to learn a second language, and you can't really learn a second language unless you're in a country for a long period of time, you know what I'm saying? This one's for the boys and girls that want to show off their arms a little bit. I've been hitting the gym a lot. But yeah, you can always do like a little sleeveless or a sweater vest. This is a really baggy outfit, which I like. It's very comfortable. I wore this the other day, actually. I know I've been showing off the same hats, but they match the shoes the best. Boom. Boom. Comfy, loose. I'm gonna run a quick errand. It's summertime. Don't you think so? Don't you think it's giving everything it needs to give? It's my baby. This is Champy. Okay, this is the last outfit I'm showing. I'm tired of getting change. But, of course, you have a white tee, you have a graphic tee, that's gonna go with everything. This is like a no-brainer. I didn't have to put this on, but this is what I'm gonna teach you guys right now. If you feel like your outfits need more oomph or they look really boring, sometimes all you need is a little bit of an undershirt. I'm not gonna button this all the way, but you kind of get the vibe. Now it has like an extra layer of color. Now it's the blue, boom, white. You get what I'm saying? So if you ever feel like you're bored with your outfit, throw on an undershirt. I will say this in every single video if I have to. An undershirt will easily enhance an outfit. Alright, you guys, as much as I love you, I'm tired of filming, so I'm just gonna wrap it up here. That is the New Balance 550's. This blue, what do you even call this? This scratchy texture. Have it as your staple shoe, because honestly, this could be like a little staple shoe. This shoe is definitely gonna enter its way into like my main shoe rotation just because it's so versatile. I like the color, it's perfect for spring and summer. And overall, just a pretty cool shoe. Thrifted. Go to your thrift stores, you guys. Like, I'll say it one more time if you didn't hear me before. I post every single day on TikTok if you want more vlogging content. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye.